Hi. As we did before, we need to use the projection lines method, and it's very simple to extend all the method from the front view. Simply, you will hold your ruler in the straight line over here, and then you hold the set square. Then you'll be able to extend all those lines till the end. Okay. Second step. Now let's take the side view as given here in the drawing. So this is what we expect to start the drawing from, and of course the lines, the projection lines, will help us to speed up in this, right? So now let's start with the first line. We're going to leave a space, as we said or we did before, from the original line, around ½ centimeter only. So let's put all that as dots, and then we are going to connect those dots. This to avoid the tiltation in the lines. And here we go. So this the first lines. As you can see, it's exactly 5 as a dimension, which is great. It means that the previous drawing it was done perfectly. Now let us check the work. If it's not done in perfect way, it's okay. We can just erase it and redo it again till we can reach the proper size. Till we reach the proper size. Remember that when you have multiple lines, you need to remove it. So you'll be able to have a proper drawing. And also the line shouldn't be that thick. It should be a reasonable thickness in the line. So in this case, we need to remove it, and let's redo it again. So this is the half. So let's have it accurate as much as possible. And here we go. So this is the first line. Now second line is the distance here. The total distance is 10. Now let's extend the line and have a 10. Luckily, we don't have to do the dots thing because simply the line is straight, the projection line. So here we go. Here we have 10. Up over here also we're going to do the same. centimeter, which is equivalent to 100 millimeter, of course. And now we connect those two. It should give us exactly 5. If it's more than or less than, it means that our lines are not accurate. They are not accurate and they are a little bit tilted. I'm just checking the sizes. This is 10. Okay, so here we go. You can see it's exactly 5, which is a great indication that our work it was done perfectly in this side. Now, from the edge of the drawing, we have here 30, and this is the other side also 30, of course, because the shape of our drawing here is symmetric. So now we will take 30 in this point, another 30 over here to guarantee that we have we can do it with the straight lines. Same on the other side. Now let's connect the lines. Now up by 15, which is the size till here, so this is the upper one. And then we should go in by also 15 as given in the drawing. You check please the dimension there. As I said, because of the projection lines, you can tell easily the sizes. It will make us quick in this. And then we're going to extend the line and do exactly the same steps. And we'll do the same on this side as well. So over here it should be 15. You can check the work. The same here should be 15. So it means that you're doing it in perfect way. Now let's try to see how we can do this shape, the middle shape. Let's take a center line from this middle. We'll take two here. We will extend it up. This will help us to have the angle done in the center of your drawing. So here, very light line. We're not gonna squeeze it. And then here we're going to extend the size, which is a 20. So from 0 over here it's 20. And the same to the other side. Another 20. Plus they already give us that the distance from up here down is it should be 25. It should be 25, which is this line. So it is 25. Now what we need to do is just connect the lines, and then we're going to remove all the remaining lines later. Being precise is very, very important, and it is the goal of having the projection lines. And here we go. So here we have the shape. Now let's try to remove all extra lines. So we have here, of course, and any internal line here and there. Okay. And that's it. In the coming video, I'm going to show you how to project all the lines, and then you will draw the front, the top view. Remember that when it comes to the top view, in this case, we're barely gonna use these dimensions as numbers. We only need to use them to connect the lines only, and of course to double check the work.